Um, do you know him?
I don't think I've ever met Mr. Romano. I mean, I would have remembered. Bakit pala kayo nandito?
Jackson's gonna be staying here for a couple of days. May nangyari lang sa drug lab.
Then we can arrange a hotel for him, yeah?
No. Why?
Oo nga, baka ma-hassle pa kayo.
Really, it won't be a problem.
No, I would love to enjoy your hospitality. Tsaka, baka mabore ako sa hotel eh. Lumabas ako. Baka may makakilala pa sa akin.
Yeah, he's right, Mom. Baka lumala pa yung mga problema natin.
Mas okay na ako dito. Got everything I need. My good friend. Great drink.
Mr. Romano, will you please excuse us? Kakausapin ko lang yung anak ko.
Sure. Hi.
Is everything okay?
I'm not comfortable na nandito yung Jackson na yan, okay?
Mom, he's just gonna stay here for a couple of days. Look, pag naayos na ni Daddy yung problem sa drug lab, he'll be out of your sight. Hey, it's better to have him here than out there like a loose cannon. Tsaka naikwento ko naman sa'yo before ba't parang biglang ayaw mo sa kanya?
I don't know. I just don't like his vibe, okay?
Mom, I know Jackson, I trust him.
I don't.
Just don't worry about him, okay? I'll keep my eyes on him for you. I'll make sure na he's not gonna cause any trouble dito sa bayan natin. What's the problem?
Pasensya na. Walang kwenta yung pasensya mo.
Paano ko kumantayan si Maying? Nilalaglag niya ako.
Ikaw! Tayong lahat! Sino naman maniniwala doon? Hindi ba baliw yun?
Hindi mo talaga ginagamit yung kukote mo eh, no?
Ang alam ng lahat, patay na siya. Kahit si Scarlett. Yun ang alam niya. Kaya hindi pwedeng makarating sa kanya to. Paano natin ito malulusutan pag lumabas ang issue na to? Ha? Ang magalala. Gagawan ko ng paraan. Paano? Padala na ako ng mga tao natin sa Riles para manmanan, matyagan si Maying at si Kidlat para hindi na lumala itong problema na to. Ang magalala. Akong bahala.